Have you ever felt a little overwhelmed wondering about all the official paperwork needed when launching a new business? It is a common concern for many aspiring entrepreneurs. When starting a business, you will generally need to consider foundational legal forms such as incorporation documents for your chosen business entity, operating agreements or bylaws, intellectual property assignments, and standard contracts for employees or independent contractors. These initial documents establish your business structure and protect its early assets. The specific legal forms a startup needs significantly depend on several key factors, including your chosen business structure, the industry you operate in, your location, and how you plan to fund your venture. For instance, a sole proprietorship has far fewer formal requirements than a C corporation or an S corporation. Entities like a limited liability company or LLC balance flexibility with liability protection. Your state of operation dictates the exact filing procedures and nomenclature for these documents, and different industries may requiring specific permits or licenses unique to their operations, like health permits for food service or specific certifications for professional services. Furthermore, if you are seeking external funding, investors will requiring comprehensive legal documentation of your business structure and agreements. To effectively navigate these requirements, begin by deciding on your business structure, which could be a limited liability company, a C corporation, an S corporation, or a partnership. Next, research the specific registration requirements for your chosen structure in your state and local jurisdiction. Then, draft or obtain an operating agreement for LLCs or bylaws for corporations, which govern internal operations and ownership. Also, identify any intellectual property, such as trademarks or copyrights, that needs to be protected through assignment agreements. Finally, prepare basic employment or independent contractor agreements as you begin to build your team. Understanding these foundational forms early on can significantly impact your business's trajectory, allowing you to avoid common pitfalls. For example, a well-drafted operating agreement or bylaws can prevent future disputes among founders and clarify equity distribution, which is a critical aspect for attracting investment. Neglecting these initial steps can lead to complex legal issues down the line, potentially jeopardizing your business's legal standing and financial health. Additionally, properly securing intellectual property from day one ensures your unique ideas remain yours. By proactively addressing these core legal forms, you create a robust legal framework that supports your startup's growth and scalability. This meticulous preparation not only protects your assets and clarifies internal governance, but also signals professionalism and stability to potential investors and partners, setting a strong foundation for long-term success.